Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to a new video, and I'm finally doing another outfits of the week video after so damn long. So I started this series so that I get to dress up every day, like because I'll be filming it and by default I'll feel better and productive. And पिछले कुछ दिनों से मैं काफ़ी I wasn't feeling that good, so I thought कि ये video करते हैं. So this week I'm going to make efforts to just dress up cute or change out of my PJs at least, even if I'm wearing basic loungewear. And let's start. So I basically went with a very monochrome, neutral kind of vibe in this with this outfit. I wore these pants, brown pants that I got from H&M. Brown is so in right now, and I'm so happy I got these pants from H&M last year. On the top part, I started with a beige turtleneck, which is barely visible here, but that was just the base piece for the layering. And on top of that, I'm wearing this very cozy beige velvet sweatshirt. Yeah, the material of this sweatshirt is velvet. It's very comfortable, it's very warm. So here you can see I've got a very neutral vibe to this outfit. I completed this with some gold jewelry, gold necklace and rings, and that's it. This was the outfit. So as I told you before, I went out with my family and it was so damn hot, and मैंने जो अंदर से turtleneck पहना था, it was making me sweat like anything. But I love the outfit. I think it's really cute, and I ended the day with some editing because is it even a Sunday if I'm not working? And now I'll see you on Monday. So it's 5 o'clock on a Monday and I'm finally shooting this segment. Today has been hectic. It was a go kind of a day. So I'm keeping it very real today and I'm showing you what a editing day, what a admin day wala outfit looks like in my life. So I'm just wearing this hoodie and then matching joggers, and this has been my outfit the entire day. There's nothing fancy about it, nothing to explain. I actually did not even get time to make my hair today. मैंने literally अपने hair comb करे अभी for the first time today, just for this video थोड़ा सा presentable लगने के लिए. But I'm wearing very basic outfit, मतलब normal comfy loungy घर के कपड़े, and I'm wearing my really cute comfy teddy slippers, and this was the OOTD for the day. Also, the skin is definitely not behaving. I'm on my period and you can see all these red spots, which are basically pimples popping all over my face. And obviously आज मैंने कोई makeup नहीं लगाया, ना time था ना month. I've just put on a lip balm and my skincare किया हुआ है. That's it. So please ignore this. Girl, you fine from the front, from the back, from the side. What a glow up. So it's Tuesday and I've just got ready to shoot a video, which I think is quite apparent. I've done a full face of makeup and I'm wearing this really cute outfit. So I'm filming a video on some oversized styling tips plus some outfits, and I thought I'll show you one of the outfits. Right now I'm wearing this cropped sweater top kind of situation, which is from H&M. Love the color. Look at how bright and how fun this color is. Then I'm wearing my new H&M 90 jeans, which I absolutely love. H&M haul में आपने देखा होगा, and I just love them. I don't miss a chance to wear them. और आज की वीडियो के लिए तो ये परफेक्ट है, तो आपको मल्टीपल आउटफिट्स में दिखने वाली हैं. एंड मैंने ये गोल्ड ज्वेलरी डाली है. इट्स सो zoomed in. Okay, I want to give you some details on my makeup look. And मैंने ना अभी हेयर वॉश किया है. I have to style it. I have done my hair properly. Style नहीं किया अभी तक बालों को. I'll do that, but before that I will put on a serum first. Wait. मैं ना सीरम लगाना भूल गई एक्चुअली आफ्टर taking my hair out of the towel. So let me quickly do that. Also, did you guys notice कि मैंने hair cut कराया है? I told you on my Instagram actually. It's just like a very basic haircut. बस मैंने से straight कटाए हैं बाल. But I went a little short this time. काफ़ी टाइम से मेरे लंबे बाल थे, so I thought कि यार कुछ change करते हैं. मैं काफ़ी बोर हो गई थी लंबे बालों से. So I did a little bit of a haircut. Let me show you. This is the length right now, and मेरा red color तो properly fade हो चुका है, तो अभी ऐसे कुछ brownish type का हो गया है. I recently got a comment asking me what is my hair color. It's a faded red color. कोई hair color नहीं है. आई एम काइंड लविंग टुडेज मेकअप. मुझे बेस बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है एंड काफ़ी लाइक इट्स वेरी न्यूट्रल बट वे पुट टुगेदर एट द सेम टाइम एंड आई एम लविंग इट. और मैं ना नॉर्मली जब फैशन वीडियो शूट करती हूँ उस टाइम पे आई लाइक टू डू सच काइंड ऑफ न्यूट्रल मेकअप लाइक विद वेरी लाइक न्यूट्रल न्यूड शेड्स. और लिप्स में भी मैं नॉर्मली या तो न्यूड लगाती हूँ या फिर क्लियर लिप बाम लगाती हूँ बिकॉज व्हेनेवर यू आर डूइंग फैशन वीडियोज इतने मल्टीपल आउटफिट चेंजेस होते हैं ना, तो ऐसा कुछ न्यूट्रल सा मेकअप करो तो इट गोज विद एवरी आउटफिट. So if anyone out there is a content creator, fashion or content creator, this is like a tip from my side. Whenever you're shooting fashion videos, बहुत neutral makeup रखो and it will go with every outfit. Now today I've used this eyeshadow palette from Swiss Beauty. I think it's their 05 variant. And ये काफ़ी अच्छी, it's got really neutral shades, browns, and I like to use this quite a lot actually. And lips के लिए मैंने clear lip balm, sorry not lip balm, lip gloss use किया again from Swiss Beauty. This one is discontinued, but I love this. Like I want something similar. कहीं से भी तो कोई recommendation तो please मुझे देना because मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. It is almost clear with a very little hint of pink to it. Let me just apply this. Can you see it's like very little hint of pink but almost clear ही है. So I love this product लेकिन अभी मिलता नहीं है. And yes, we are ready. Get you popping more than just pills. Oh, I know that you got big dreams. I'm just trying to help you go and get those things. Oh yeah, that's facts. Oh yeah. It's 4 o'clock and I just got done, not even done with the shoot. I got done with half of the video and I just got time to eat my food and I'm having some rajma. I'm so happy, but I have to still shoot like 40% of the video, so बहुत काम है. There's long way to go, so I'll quickly eat this yummy food and get back to my shoot. It's currently 7:30 and I just got done shooting the video. It is actually an outfit video, तो बहुत सारे different changes थे and I'm so tired. And if I show you the mess around me, like oh my god, I have to clean everything now. And this is a sneak peek of another outfit, जो कि वैसे तो आपने वीडियो ही देख ली होगी तो व्हाट स्नीक पीक, बट अगर नहीं देखी है तो प्लीज़ वॉच इट. इट टुक मी आवर्स टू फिल्म एंड मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी है. एंड मुझे कल भी एक और शूट करना है एक्चुअली, तो आज मैंने सोचा था मैं 2 वीडियो शूट कर लूँगी बट अभी एक ही हुआ है. एंड नाउ आई एम नॉट लाइक आई डोंट हैव द एनर्जी एनी मोर, सो आई हैव टू शूट अनदर वीडियो टुमारो. एंड नाउ आई थिंक आई विल सी यू टुमारो. आई हैव टू क्लीन यार, बहुत क्लीन करना है. आई एम सो टायर्ड. Another shoot day, so I've got 2 shoot days back to back. कल मैंने कुछ outfit shoot करी थी and आज मैं उसका एक्चुअली फर्स्ट पार्ट आज शूट कर रही हूँ जो कि कल ही अपलोड होना है. तो मुझे अभी शूट करना है, एडिट करना है, सब कुछ आज ही करना है. एंड देन सेकेंड पार्ट मैंने कल ऑलरेडी शूट करके रखा हुआ है. सो आई एम सॉर्टेड लाइक कॉन्टेंट वाइज फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीक. अब इस वीक आई थिंक इसके बाद कोई शूट डे नहीं होगा, बट आई एम लविंग टुडेज आउटफिट्स. आई थॉट आई शो यू व्हाट ऑल आई एम वेयरिंग. आई हैव गॉट माई कैमरा राइट देयर. I've got a ring light there and now I'll show you the outfit also. I just realized कि कैमरा मेरे सामने ही है तो मैं फ़ोन पे क्यों व्लॉग कर रही हूँ. So wait, आउटफिट पे आपको कैमरा पे दिखाती हूँ. Cue the camera change. So better qualities here. So this basically is the background. आपने वीडियो ऑलरेडी देख ली होगी. This was the oversized styling tips वाला वीडियो. I decided to do it in 2 parts. तो tips वाला वीडियो भी आ गया होगा. इसके बाद मैंने कुछ outfits वाला भी एक वीडियो किया है तो वो भी आ चुका होगा. तो make sure you check all of that out. सब डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक्ड होगा. And now moving on to the outfit, let's start with accessories first because I'm loving these accessories. So ये pearl necklace है जो कि मैंने I think Amazon से लिया था ना. एक्चुअली मैंने इसको उल्टा पहना हुआ है. इसमें ना पीछे से लाइक wait, I'll show you only. So this basically is like this. तो इसमें आगे से ये पेंडेंट है बट आई लाइक टू वेयर इट ऐसे करके. मुझे बहुत क्यूट लगता है. सो आई एम वेयरिंग दिस नेकलेस. एंड ईयरिंग्स के लिए मैंने ये स्टेटमेंट स्टड्स पहने हुए हैं. एवर स्टाइलिश Amazon. For my sweater I'm wearing this like yellow fleece sweater that I got from a street market actually. So basically it has a V-neck. It's got these really beautiful sleeve detailing है. मैंने अपनी वॉच पहनी हुई है. And then my H&M jeans. And मेरे स्वेटर को थोड़ा सा tuck in कर लिया है for a more put together look. And I'm like loving this. And it's a wrap on today's shoot. Yay. So I'm done with the shoot. I need to just transfer the footage now and start editing it and have my lunch क्योंकि काफ़ी late हो गया. It's 3:30 now. So yeah, that's what the plan for the day is. And I'm loving this outfit. यार ये कितना cute लग रहा है. I love the details here with the earrings and this pearl and the top and my jeans, and I love it. That you had a little practice, turned into a gymnast on the mattress. You a good girl. Finally done. Also, it's 8:25 right now, and the video is exporting. Then I'll upload it, and I'll be done for the day. And I'll see you tomorrow now. Girl, you fine from the front, from the back, from the side. Pull up in a Rover, 40 over, that's fine. I had such a slow start to a day. I was just like editing some reels. मैं bed पे बैठी हुई थी. मैंने थोड़ी देर एक book पढ़ी. And it's like a very nice, relaxed morning. लेकिन अब 12:30 बज चुका है. And I need to get out of my PJs. And I'll see you in literally 1 second. And I'm back. Also, I wish it was this easy to get ready. I wish I could just snap my fingers and get ready. But let me show you my outfit. Also, I've kept it super casual today. Let me clean this mirror a little bit first. So I got this quad set last year from Street Style store and it is still going strong. So if you want to get it, I'll link the video in the description. आप उसको check कर लेना. You'll find the link and everything there. But I really like it. It's got a crop sweatshirt और इसके joggers भी काफ़ी अच्छे हैं. I really like the length of the joggers. They're not too long. And I'm wearing my neon slide and some rings, again something black and white to match the entire vibe. Show you life from the hills, get you popping more than just pills. Oh, I know that you got big dreams. I'm just trying to help you go and get those things. Oh yeah. Hi guys, it's Friday and I was just doing some work and I thought कि आपको आज का outfit दिखाती हूँ. So I was working on my next drop of Dee's Closet, and if you don't know, Dee's Closet is my own Instagram thrift store where you can buy my pre-loved pieces. So this is the Instagram handle and मैं next drop की तैयारी कर रही हूँ. This is going to be the last drop of this year and काफ़ी interesting actually. And I think by the time you watch this video, वो drop already अब हो चुका होगा. So अगर अभी तक सारी चीज़ें बिकी नहीं है, make sure you check it out. This is the handle. उसको follow करो page को, because obviously I'll be coming with more exciting drops in the new year. So I actually have to go out in a while to do some work, and इसके लिए मैंने से jeans पहना है and I wore this pink hoodie on top of it. This is like a really nice oversized sweatshirt that I got from Forever 21. I think like 4 years ago or something. काफ़ी time हो गया इसको, but I just love how comfy and cozy it is. These jeans are again really cute. Now I'll change into my white sneakers and I'll head out in a while. And I thought कि आपका outfit दिखाती हूँ. Also my hair is a greasy, oily mess, so मैंने उसके से bun बना रखा है. Please don't mind that. Also I was just having some Maggie after such a long time and day has been made. And I'm watching Office. Girl, but you're still a bad bitch. I know, real one never switch flows. Oh, diamonds dancing like the disco. Oh. And that's it. Do tell me in the comments which was your favorite outfit of the week. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'll promise I'll do these more often. I love doing these kind of videos क्योंकि मैं थोड़ा बहुत vlog भी कर लेती हूँ. And we love bonding over fashion in this channel, so we do that also. And I'll try to put all the outfit details in the description bar. Video को like करना, comment करना, share करना. Please share this video with your friends to give them some outfit inspiration. And subscribe करना if you haven't already. So click on this red button, subscribe, and then click on the bell sign so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys, I love you. I'm so grateful for you, and have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this video. And that's it. Bye guys. So where you wanna go? Let's see it all. Selfies on the Great Wall, maybe the Taj Mahal. Hey, we could stay out late after dark, take a gamble in Monaco. We could swim with the sharks.